Hey guys, welcome to your transitional farmhouse here at 1817 Madrona Drive. Located on the cusp of quaint and entertaining Madrona and the affluent and historical Denny Blaine. We're starting on my favorite part of the home, the covered patio. It is a 200 square foot outdoor covered living space that you can use all year round. But let's go and start at the front of the house. We're only a 10-minute walk from retail, wine bars, markets, restaurants, cafes, and 9 of Denny Blaine's and Madrona's parks. We're also only 10 minutes drive to University of Washington, downtown Seattle, South Lake Union, I-90, and 520. But let's go inside. As your guests enter from the oversized farmhouse porch, they're greeted with a large open foyer. While you're putting their coats away, your guests are taken away by this vast entertaining floor. But what they're really going to be in awe of is the kitchen. The key element of this home's design is the powerful kitchen. So this kitchen blends the charm of the farmhouse style, including the apron sink, open shelving, with the powerful Thermador appliance suite. We have a 6-burner with griddle, 48-inch Pro Harmony Thermador range with matching hood. What's really special about this range is that it has a star burner. The star-shaped pattern allows for an even flame. Also unique to Thermador is this extra low setting. Not only does it heat as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but it also automatically turns on and off so it does not burn what you're simmering. So no need for a double boiler for when you're melting chocolate or delicate sauces. So Thermador isn't all about power, it's also about convenience. Both French doors and the freezer drawer open hands-free. Your farmhouse has plenty of seating for both formal and casual dining. This 8-foot island seats 3 to 4 comfortably, and we have the large west-facing dining room with skylights and gorgeous, peaceful views of the Ephiphany Parish courtyards. Also off of your kitchen is your comfortable family room. One of the unique things about your home is that you have so many beautiful historical structures around you. The Denny Blaine Company built the Denny Blaine Lake Pavilion for trolley riders. It also served as their real estate office. Now, as we cross the foyer, I wanted to tell you about how efficiently this home is heated and cooled. This home has a heat pump and also the newest in mini-split technology. In the larger areas, we have 4-way ceiling-mounted cassettes, while in the smaller areas, mini-split concealed duct units. The benefits of a heat pump mini-split system are that it doesn't have a furnace that takes up space, it doesn't have the ductwork that you have to maintain and clean, and it's just simply more energy efficient. Here in the bright, formal living room, we have another one-of-a-kind view. The Minerva fountain now serves as a pond, home to ducks, frogs, and turtles. So past the gas fireplace and the guest bathroom, we have 2 sets of patio doors that lead us out to the covered patio space where we first met. Now, if you've toured homes with me before, you know that I always like to go upstairs first. But this time, let's go check out the hangout hub downstairs. Let's go. Right away, your guests will be impressed by what the designer calls the beverage room. This large space includes 2 wine fridges, lots of storage, and boost block shelving. The hangout hub is central to the second laundry room, the access to the garage, the media room, fitness room, and full bath. We have 2 plugs for electric vehicle charging, one in the oversized garage and the other right outside in the parking pad. So now we can go up to the sleeping quarters. This 4,559 square foot home has 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths. This sleeping quarters floor has 3 beds and 3 of the baths. Each room here in the sleeping quarter has a unique feature. One room has a loft, another room has dual patio doors onto a shared deck, And the third bedroom has a light-filled reading nook with a skylight. The main laundry is conveniently located on this level. Notice the playful tile stories throughout your entire home, especially the azulejo printed pattern in the laundry room. This is a great time to also mention that all the bathrooms have heated tile floors, even the guest bath. So as we head up to the master suite, I want to point out another feature of this home. We have hickory floors that start from the first floor and continue through the master suite. And now for the jaw-dropping penthouse master suite. This 870 square foot master suite has it all. We have views of both Mount Rainier and the Cascades, 150 square feet of combined closet space, and we have a spa-like bathroom. Enjoy the views from your private terrace, or on a cold, cloudy day, sip some coffee from your parlor. This suite transitions your farmhouse into true luxury. Imagine yourself coming home from a long day of work, grabbing a bottle of wine, and then soaking in this 78-gallon tub. With this house, you really can have it all. The entertainer's dream, the hangout hub, the sleeping quarters, the penthouse master suite, and the amazing location. So all of this could be yours for only $2.85 million.